Bolo Shri Gajanan Swami ki Jai. Devotees, may take your seats.
Prem se bolo Gajanan Swami ki. There's still a lot of place on this side. If you just come straight down, just come this side. They have chairs on this side. You can sit, and there's a television screen on that side. So if you're not getting to see the Baba, you're going to see Baba in TV. Because I know everybody likes to see the Baba. You guys have prasad to offer? Okay, line up and wait ready. A very warm and special welcome to each and every one of you to this, the fifth night of our yajna, in this 7 nights devotion to Bhagwan Shri Ganesh. Tonight, on behalf of Kishore and Cindy Durgadeen, we say special welcome for they are the Shrotas sitting at the Bedi. On behalf of our Shrota, Mr. and Mrs. Durgadeen and family, we say special welcome to all of you. For the singers, I see Errol Bhai and Dino Bhai is here. At least he kept to his word because I met him in the wedding Saturday. And I said, hey, you need to pass through the yajna. He said, okay, I'm going to be there. But I see Tiz. I said, but me, I see Errol yet? But he's going to make up for that later on. And I hope that both of them will visit us back again on Saturday night. These two gentlemen go to the length and breadth of Trinidad and Tobago, and they keep the traditional classical singing, which some of you really appreciate and like. The younger people don't really know much about that, so they only know bagadang, bagadang, bagadang. But when you hear classical music and you hear drummers like Raja on the drum there, coming out so clean and plain, and you hear every tal that comes out, you appreciate and you enjoy this. So I want you to give Raja and give these two gentlemen, and this young gentleman, I heard him in the beginning. You look resemble to the guy who came with the mic that night. And he played Dolak, and he stand there so quiet. I said, this young gentleman, I don't know your name, but he sang also, and it was beautiful. He has a great voice for classical singing. But none other than my two boys, Shiv and Suraj. When you listen to Shiv and Suraj, you totally get lost. I'm still waiting for Suraj to sing Jojo, and he's going to do it in classical style for you, not just chutney style. But these two boys, ever since they came to America, they have stick with me. I don't know if there was a spell that I cast on both of them. They never leave me, and anywhere I go, they go together with me. When the mother came, the mother started to join the party, and she ended up going with us. And Auntie Esther is always there, supporting me. And the day I don't have service, she will buff me up and say, hey, what happened? You want me to go to our next temple? I said, Jai Bhagwan. This is why sometimes, as much as difficult it is, when you have people like this who support you, I have to push myself and be there to do my duty. But I want to say congratulations to all these wonderful singers. And Wayne, you see, you tell me the stage was too big. It's not too big. It should be bigger because some people have to leave the stage and come in and come out. I wanted to prove them guys the wrong, you know, because I know how it go. Tonight, devotees, our Vyasji, very young gentleman, Pandit Vishwaram Maharaj, he does a lot of services at the Shiva Mandir, length and breadth of New York City, in and around the area. He's such an intelligent guy, an intelligent gentleman. You might not think the depth of his intelligence. He comes from a Pandit family. His father is Pandit, his uncle is Pandit, grandparents is Pandit, everybody is Pandit coming all the way down. This is why I don't choose any and anybody to put them on a Singhasan, Because a Singhasan has a reason, it has a duty, and it has a blessing when you put somebody here to sit. And I would not take Tom, Dick, and Harry and put them on my Singhasan because I do not want to carry sin. If you like sin, you take agar bagar and put them up. And you do as you like. You see this gentleman? His father is a pundit. His brother is a pundit. His grandfather is a pundit. His uncle is a pundit. And he comes from a line of pundits. This is why when we have Brahman devatas like this who will sit and sing Hasan, he need to say nothing. But we know our blessing is secure. Not everybody who puts on a dhoti and play a harmonium can sit on a Singhasan. People fail to realize that. This is why sometimes when we have problems, you ask yourself, what did I do? And you still keep thinking, what did you do? Because nobody is going to help you at that point in time because you caused that pain and problem for yourself. So you're going to have to deal with it for yourself. So tonight, on behalf of the Ganapati Devi Mandir, on behalf of our Shrotas by the Bedi, the Durgadin family, and all you wonderful devotees, we say a very special and warm welcome to our Vyasji, Pandit Vishwaram Maharaj. I pass the mic over to him. Prem se bolo Vyas Maharaj ki? Oh my God. Should I serve the food first and then come back to the katha? Vyas Maharaj ki? Jai Bhagwan. Panditji.
Prem se bole Shri Gajanan Swami ki jai. Thank you, Panditji. Namaskar and Sitaram to all you wonderful devotees of Shri Ganesh. It's always an honor to sit before all of you and expound the Holy Scriptures. I'd like to give my warm regards to the blessed host here who introduced me so well, Pandit Prakash Maharaj, Sitaram Panditji. It's my pleasure to be here with you. And to the great devotees watching all around the world, I don't know where the camera is. Wait, is it here? This way? All around? All right. To the great devotees watching all around the world, Namaskar and Sitaram. Last but not least, I would like to send blessings to the Bhajan Kirtan Mandali. Without you all, the celebrations are incomplete. And I logged on Facebook even though I wasn't here, so I listened to all it every day, every night. So now, as I send my Namaskar and Sitaram to everyone, let us all sit upright, join our palms together and worship the lotus-like feet of Bhagwan Shri Ganesh. Arihi Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha Shri Saraswatya Namaha Shri Guru Charana Kamale Bhyo Namo Namaha Pranamya Shirsa Devam Gauri Putram Vinayakam Bhaktavasam Smare Nityam Ayuh Kamarth Siddhaye Pratamam Vakratundam Cha Ekadantam Dvitiyakam Tritiyam Krishna Pingaksham Gajavaktram Chaturtakam Lambodaram Panchamam Cha Shashtam Vikatamevacha Saptamam Vignarajendram Dhumravarnam Tatashtamam Navamam Bhalachandram Cha Dashamam Tu Vinayakam Ekadasham Ganapatim Dwadasham Tu Gajananam Dwadashaitani Namani Trisandhyam Yahapate Naraha Nacha Vigna Bhayam Tasya Sarva Siddhi Kara Prabhu Vidyarthi Labhate Vidyam Dhanarthi Labhate Dhanam पुत्रार्थी लभते पुत्रान् मोक्षार्थी लभते गतिम् जपेत् गणपति स्तोत्रं शतभिर्मासैः फलं लभेत् संवत्सरेण सिद्धिं च लभते नात्र संशयः अष्टेभ्यो ब्राह्मणेभ्यश्च लिखित्वा यः समर्पयेत् तस्य विद्या भवेत् सर्वा गणेशस्य प्रसादतः ॐ गं गणपतये नमः। प्रेम से बोले श्री गजानन स्वामी की जय। Sitaram once again, everyone. Are they fall asleep? In 2 minutes? Sitaram, everybody. You know what Sitaram means? Peace and love. I send peace and love to you. Maybe somebody could send peace and love back to me, all right? Thank you. So, as we all join tonight, we have the Sri Ganesh Puran in front of us. We begin the Katha in Upasna Kand of Ganesh Puran, the first book, where it says the cosmic destruction of the universe was going on. What is the cosmic destruction? It says Brahma, Pitamaha, Prajapati, he creates the entire universe and all the beings within it. And then it says Bhagwan Shri Vishnu protects this universe and all the beings. And that one known as Rudra, he destroys the universe. And it says the cosmic destruction had begun. The mountains were shattered by winds and fell in every direction. A huge fire, garlanded with flames, it burnt everything. And it says there are these clouds that come, called these Samvartak clouds, showered water everywhere. And jets of water resembling those which come from an elephant's trunk, it says, were flowing from those clouds, and it flooded everywhere. All the worlds were being destroyed. And it says, beginning with Brahma down to the immovable things, Brahma, Vishnu, and Shankara, they all relinquished their Sagun form. And now they only had that Ganeshwar, it says. Gajanan alone existed in that area. And so, here is where it says, Gajanan, he wanted to recreate this universe. It says, Brahma, Vishnu and Shankara manifested themselves again in the Hiranyagarbha, the golden egg, before the universe is created. It says in Ganesh Puran, जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा
जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा
जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा
जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा
मंत्रराज जपन्नाय यत्ता तुष्टो गजानन कदाचि धूव योगेन प्रलये समुपते जय गणेश
देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा
जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती
पिता महादेवा
माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा
माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा
वायु भी पर्वता भी ना पतिता परितो दी जय गणेश देवा माता जागे पार्वती पिता महादेवा जय गणेश
जय गणेश देवा माता जागी पार्वती पिता महादेवा
माता जागी पार्वती पिता महादेवा
माता जागी पार्वती पिता महादेवा
प्रेम से बोलो श्री गजानन स्वामी की जय. Don't worry about the sweat. It happens all the time to me. I overheat. It says, as Brahma, Vishnu and Shankara manifested themselves in this universe again, before the universe was created, they wandered around in the Kshir Sagar, the ocean of milk, in the Hiranyagarbha, the golden egg. And wandering around, they wanted to know, what are their duties? What am I supposed to do? And it says they all sat down together, Brahma, Vishnu and Shankara, and they started to chant mantra. What is a mantra? Mantra is a holy set of syllables put together that can communicate with God. It forms a connection to Bhagavan. And so it says, as Brahma, Vishnu and Shankara seated in meditation, praying to Gajanan, it says, they chanted the 6-syllable mantra. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. It says, as they sat, the 3 Murti, the 3 gods, they wished in answer to the question, what duties should we perform? And so, chanting the mantra again and again, years and years passed by, devoting themselves, uttering mantras. And then they saw a terrible sight, resembling the fire of cosmic destruction that was before them. A mass of fiery energy resembling many suns. Fiery energy would took away their sight, and so they became extremely anxious. It was so bright they couldn't see. You know, if you go outside in daylight in the summer, when the sun is at the highest point, how bright is it? Sometimes when you are driving and the sun is right in front of you, you can't even see. You have to slow down. Some people put their hazard light out on the highway. So bright as one sun. They say thousands of suns this fiery energy was like. Extremely bright. And then it says, Ganesh, overseer of the worlds, who is filled with a surplus of compassion and who knows the meaning of everything. It says, Ganeshwar appeared to them in a form pleasant to the eyes, in red garments. He had 4 arms resplendent with different weapons, and the mudra blessing his devotees. And he possessed a beautiful nose, a lotus-like face, which is beauty surpass the full moon. Beautiful eyes, Krishna Pingaksh. His eyes are dark brown. Vakratunda, his trunk was curved. Gajanan, he had an elephant face. Gajavaktra, he had elephant ears. Sumukh, he had a beautiful mouth. Ekadanta, he had 1 tusk. And it says, looking so beautiful, this divine Ganeshwar, protector of all, seeing Brahma, Vishnu and Shankara meditating upon him, manifesting himself there, it says, Brahma, Vishnu and Shankara, they began to sing the praises of that divine Lord. Jai Ganapati Vandan Gannayak Jai Ganapati Vandan Gannayak छवि अति सुंदर सुखदायक
तेरी छवि अति सुंदर सुखदायक
जय गणपति वंदन गणनायक
जय गणपति वंदन गणनायक
जय गणपति वंदन गणनायक
जय गणपति वंदन गणनायक
तू चार भुजाधारी मस्तक सिंदूर रूप निराला है मूषक वाहन तेरो तू ही जग का रखवाला तेरी सुंदर मूरत मन में तेरी
सुंदर मूरत मन में
तू पालक सिद्ध विनायक तू
पालक से भी विनायक
जय गणपति वंदन गणनायक
जय गणपति वंदन गणनायक
जय गणपति वंदन गणनायक
जय गणपति वंदन गणनायक
तेरी छवि अति सुंदर सुखदायक
तेरी छवि अति सुंदर सुखदायक
जय गणपति वंदन गणनायक
जय गणपति वंदन गणनायक
मन मंदिर का अंधियारा तेरे नाम से हो जियारा तेरे नाम की ज्योति जले का मन में बहती सुखधारा तेरो सुमिरन हर पूजन में
तेरो सुमिरन हर भोजन में
तेरो सुमिरन हर पूजन में
तेरो सुमिरन हर भोजन में
सबसे पहले फलदायक
सबसे पहले फलदायक गणपति वंदन गणनायक जय गणपति वंदन गणनायक
जय गणपति वंदन गणनायक
जय गणपति वंदन गणनायक
प्रेम से बोले श्री गजानन स्वामी की जय. Glimpsing from the corner of their eyes as they were meditating the compassion of Vignesh, Vigna, the troubles, Vignesh, Ish, the Lord of removing obstacles, troubles. It says, his face prepared to grace them. Brahma, Vishnu and Shiv obtained clarity of intellect and then praising him again and again, chanting his mantras and worshipping him. It says, Ganesh we will worship. He who is beyond all characteristics, the first and foremost. When you are doing puja, who do you pray to first? Ganesh. What mantra do you chant? First and foremost, Om Shri Ganesh Aye Namaha. It says you are first and foremost. Brahma, Vishnu and Shankara is telling to Ganesh, you are the first witness of all. When you are doing puja, all you are telling, you are calling all different forms of God and saying, I have fasted this long. I've done these fasts and I've done this havan and this meditation while I was fasting, and now I'm going to break my fast. Oh God, come and bless me. And who is the first witness to you going to break your fast? Gajanan Swami, Ganeshwar. It says you are the first and foremost, whose intellect is splendid, the supreme Lord, whose form is the supreme Brahman, the Param Atma, the divine soul. You are the origin of happiness. You are praised by all. You are the knower of the Vedas and Shastras and Upanishads. You are the form which is to be pondered in the heart of every devotee. You are the repository of all knowledge, O Ganesh, always grounded in Satogun, pure quality, destroying the gods, foes, and protecting the universe. You are that one who removes ignorance. To Ganesh we bow, Brahma, Vishnu, and Shankara, bowing to Ganesh again and again. You are the one who removes darkness, who is the essence of the three Vedas, the four Vedas, and the supreme Brahma, who brings knowledge to the sages, whose real form is existence and non-existence, and the cause of the entire world. Whichever person will direct his mind onto your 2 feet, O Ganesh, will not experience any obstacles. He is called Vignesh, Vignahara, the remover of obstacles. Whoever is devoted to that powerful Ganesh, whose image shines like the sun, how could that person be in pain? Hearing the praise of Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiv to Ganesh, it says Ganesh became very pleased. He began to address them. He says, you have taken much trouble for the purpose which you have come here, which is to find out what your duties are. So choose a bardhan, choose a boon from me, because I am happy with your mantras, your praising of me. Brahma, Vishnu, and Shankara told to Ganesh, if you are pleased, then let us have unswerving devotion to you, O Lord. Let us always remember you. In the good times and the bad times, let us always think of you. And Gajanan spoke to them. He said, you will overcome even the greatest difficulties. And anytime you think of me, your difficulties, your obstacles will be removed. Now here, I will also give you these vardhan. O Brahma, since you have arisen from Rajas, pure and impure mixed, you will be the creator of this universe. O Vishnu, by the virtue of your connection with pureness, Sato Gun, you will undertake the protection of this universe. And O Shankara, since you have arisen from the Tamogun, you will be the destroyer, you will be known as Rudra. Then it says the illustrious Ganesh gave Brahma the supreme self, the Vedas, the Shastras, and the Puranas, the capacity to create, and other knowledge he gave him. And he gave Vishnu the power to take the form of his own choice by Yoga Maya. And he gave them the 6-syllable mantra, unlocking the siddhi of that mantra. He gave to Shankara, the illustrious Deva, the power to destroy. And it says, then Brahma was thinking to himself, I have the power to create, but I've never seen life before. I've never created this universe. I have now appeared in this Hiranyagarbha, this golden egg, before the universe has created. What do I have to do? And how do I do that? It says, Gajanan Swami spoke to Brahma. Om Gam Ganapataye Namo Namah, Shri Siddhi Vinayak Namo Namah, Ashta Vinayak Namo Namah, Ganapati Bappa Moria.
Om Gam Ganapataye Namo Namah, Shri Siddhi Vinayak Namo Namah, Ashta Vinayak Namo Namah, Ganapati Bappa Moria.
Ganapataye Namo Namah, Shri Siddhi Vinayak Namo Namah, Ashta Vinayak Namo Namah, Ganapati Bappa Moria.
Gam Ganapataye Namo Namah, Shri Siddhi Vinayak Namo Namah, Ashta Vinayak Namo Namah, Ganapati Bappa Moria.
Iti Shruttva Vachastesham Puna Praha Gajan
सिद्धिविनायक नमो नमः अष्टविनायक नमो नमः गणपति बाप्पा मोरया
गम गणपतये नमो नमः श्री सिद्धिविनायक नमो नमः अष्टविनायक नमो नमः गणपति बाप्पा मोरया
ॐ गं गणपते नमो नमः श्री सिद्धिविनायक नमो नमः अष्टविनायक नमो नमः गणपति बाप्पा मोरया
संकष्टानि अयायूयं तरिषाय महात्यपि भवद्रुव्याय प्रवक्ष्यामि कार्याणि च पृथक् पृथक् ॐ गं गणपतये
नमो नमः श्री सिद्धिविनायक नमो नमः अष्टविनायक नमो नमः गणपति बाप्पा मोरया
ॐ गं गणपतये नमो नमः श्री सिद्धिविनायक नमो नमः अष्टविनायक नमो नमः गणपति बाप्पा मोरया
ॐ गं गणपते नमो नमः श्री सिद्धिविनायक नमो नमः अष्टविनायक नमो नमः गणपति बाप्पा मोरया
गं गणपतये नमो नमः श्री
सिद्धिविनायक नमो नमः अष्टविनायक नमो नमः गणपति बाप्पा मोरया
ॐ मङ्गलमूर्ति मोरया
मङ्गलमूर्ति मोरया
ॐ गं गणपतये नमो नमः प्रेम से बोलो श्री गजानन स्वामी की जय He says, I've never seen creation, never seen life before. I've never created. Anybody here believe in reincarnation? Raise your hand. All right. Some people didn't raise their hand. Oh, you raise your hand? You didn't raise your hand? Oh, okay. Some people raising their hand like this, so I can't see. Bhagwan, Sri Vishnu, Brahma, Shankara, they merged back into the Supreme Soul, the Param Atma, at the end of the universe. Everything is perishable in this universe. In Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna tells to Arjuna, oh Arjun, look at that fruit on the tree. If you don't pick that fruit, you think the fruit will wait for you to pick it? If you don't pick it, somebody else will pick it. If nobody picks it, gets ripe and falls down. Nobody can get it anymore. So, up till the universe is not eternal. Up to the universe is destroyed when the time comes. And so it says, as Brahma, Vishnu and Shankara took their form again, so they have no recollection of the past, including Brahma. It says only Shankara remembers, while the others, they have no recollection. Just like all of us here, can you remember your mother and father from your past life? All right. Nobody didn't say anything. I take that as a no. And so, because of this, Brahma is saying, I don't know how to create. I've never seen life before. Oh Gajanan, how can I do this duty that you have bestowed upon me if I don't even know how to do it? If I tell, I'm a programmer, software engineer, if I tell one of you who's not doing software engineering to go and program something for me, how will you know how to do it if I don't show you? It says Gajanan Swami. He says, come inside my belly. Come inside of my body, O Brahma. You will see not only one universe, you will see multiple universes, multiple Hiranyagarbhas. In physics, there's the multiverse theory, where there's not one but multiple universes. Now, if they just read we book, they would have come up with the theory before, right? Ganesh says, Hiranyagarbha, multitudes of Hiranyagarbha inside my body. Come, Brahma, come and see all the different universes, all the life from all the different universes, and see how they look, see how they appear, see how they are created and destroyed. See all of this within my body. And it says, Brahma, he went into the body of Bhagwan Ganesh Ji. Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh Deva, Mata Jaki Parvati Pita Mahadeva.
Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh Deva, Mata Jaki Parvati Pita Mahadeva.
Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh Deva, Mata Jaki Parvati Pita Mahadeva.
Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh Deva, Mata Jaki Parvati Pita Mahadeva.
Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh Deva, Mata Jaki Parvati Pita Mahadeva.
Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh Deva, Mata Jaki Parvati Pita Mahadeva.
Shankar Bhaskar Vayu Vinati Sarto Bhupam Jadu Bhuja. Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh Deva,
Mata Jaki Parvati Pita Mahadeva.
Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh Deva, Mata Jaki Parvati Pita Mahadeva.
Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh Deva, Mata Jaki Parvati Pita Mahadeva.
Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh Deva, Mata Jaki Parvati Pita Mahadeva.
Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh Deva, Mata Jaki Parvati Pita Mahadeva.
Darsh Vishwarup Chahuve Bhava Bhav Characharam Bhayatama. Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh Deva,
Mata Jaki Parvati Pita Mahadeva.
Mata Jaki Parvati Pita Mahadeva.
Mata Jaki Parvati Pita Mahadeva.
Mata Jaki Parvati Pita Mahadeva. प्रेम से बोले श्री गजानन स्वामी की जय. Says Brahma went into the belly of Bhagwan Shri Ganesh and he saw all the different Hiranyagarbhas, saw all the different eggs in great number like fruit on a fig tree and mosquitoes on these fruit. And the lotus-born Brahma saw the entire creation within it. And Brahma saw everything that existed and did not exist, and that moved and did not move. It says lotus-born Brahma seated himself and he eulogized Bhagwan Shri Ganesh.
Moria re Baba, Moria re, Moria re Baba, Moria re. Ganapati Baba Moria, Mangal Murti Moria. Ganapati Baba गणपति बाबा मोरिया, सुख करता दुख हरता मेरा गणपति बाबा मोरिया। आओ प्रभु मेरे आओ, मंगल मूर्ति आओ।
आओ प्रभु मेरे आओ, मंगल मूर्ति आओ।
हे मोरिया रे बाबा मोरिया रे,
मोरिया रे बाबा मोरिया रे।
जय जयकार हुए जग अंदर, जय जयकार हुए जग अंदर। घर घर में है तेरा मंदिर, घर घर में है तेरा मंदिर। प्रेम की ज्योति जगाने वाले मन की ज्योति जलाओ, प्रेम की ज्योति जगाने वाले मन की ज्योति जलाओ। आओ प्रभु मेरे आओ, मंगल मूर्ति आओ।
आओ प्रभु मेरे आओ, मंगल मूर्ति आओ।
गणपति बाबा मोरिया, मंगल मूर्ति मोरिया।
गणपति बाबा मोरिया, मंगल मूर्ति मोरिया।
हे मोरिया रे बाबा मोरिया रे,
मोरिया रे बाबा मोरिया रे।
सारे जग के तुम हो स्वामी, सारे जग के तुम हो स्वामी। गणपति बाबा अंतर्यामी, गणपति बाबा अंतर्यामी। सबकी बिगड़ी बनाने वाले मेरे बिगड़ी बनाओ, सबकी बिगड़ी बनाने वाले मेरे बिगड़ी बनाओ। आओ प्रभु मेरे आओ, मंगल मूर्ति आओ।
आओ प्रभु मेरे आओ, मंगल मूर्ति आओ।
गणपति बाबा मोरिया, मंगल मूर्ति मोरिया।
गणपति बाबा मोरिया, मंगल मूर्ति मोरिया।
हे मोरिया रे बाबा मोरिया रे,
मोरिया रे बाबा मोरिया रे।
हे मोरिया रे बाबा मोरिया रे,
मोरिया रे बाबा मोरिया रे।
हे मोरिया रे बाबा मोरिया रे,
मोरिया रे बाबा मोरिया रे।
हे मोरिया रे बाबा मोरिया रे,
मोरिया रे बाबा मोरिया रे।
हे मोरिया रे बाबा मोरिया रे,
मोरिया रे
बाबा मोरिया रे, हे मोरिया रे बाबा मोरिया रे, मोरिया रे बाबा मोरिया रे, ओ बाबा मोरिया रे बाबा मोरिया रे, बाबा मोरिया रे।
बोलो गजानन स्वामी की जय. Thank you, Umesh ji, for rendering a beautiful bhajan. It says, Brahma praised Gajanan Swami, and Gajanan Swami left that place. And time had passed by, and Brahma, Vishnu, and Shankara were beginning to do their duties. It says, Brahma, he had a feeling to create. So he began to think to himself, what do I create first? And he started to think. And as he was thinking, he's feeling arrogance. He's feeling pride. He says, I know the Shastras. I know the Vedas. I know the Puranas. I know all these holy texts. I possess intuitive and discursive knowledge. And I can put shrap or give vardhan. I've seen all the Hiranyagarbhas in the belly of Ganeshwar. And I've seen all the different forms of creation. And so now I am absolutely capable of creating everything. I am the Lord of Lords. I am Pitamaha, the grandfather of all creatures. It says the lotus-born Brahma, remember, in the beginning of the universe, Bhagavan Sri Vishnu laid in the bottom of the Kshir Sagar, the ocean of milk, and as he was in Yog Nidra, eternal sleep, out of his navel came a stem, and as it went above the milky water, the lotus opened, and there is where Brahma was born. He is the lotus-born one from the navel of Vishnu. But he's saying, I am the Lord of Lords, the creator of this universe. It says, as Brahma then began to start to create, the things that he was thinking of was not being created. It says Rakshasas came out of the body of Brahma as he was trying to create. They had 10 arms, 5 arms, 10 faces, 5 feet, fangs, different sizes, different shapes. They were so horrible to look at. All types of negative things came out. Because Brahma, he had pride and he had ego. Thinking that he is the best, he knows everything. You know, there's a graph that shows you when you start to study a subject. The graph goes like this in a curve, comes back down. This, the x-axis, is the time that passes by with you studying the subject. And the y-axis is what you think you know in that subject. In the beginning, because you now start the subject, you think you know everything. And as time goes by and you still study the subject, your thinking of you knowing this subject goes down because you see how vast the subject is. But there are some people who you may know or may not know that curve does not apply to them. They start to learn the subject and they stay right there. And they know everything. And if you ask them a question, they will answer every question even though they don't even know the answer. But that is the average curve. And it says Brahma was like this. Brahman was now given the Vedas, the knowledge of the Vedas, Shastras, Upanishads. He was now given knowledge. He didn't even know what to do. He was praying to Ganesh and Ganeshwar gave him that knowledge. Then time passes by, he thinks he knows everything. And it says all negativities came out of him and they attacked him. Some of them were hugging him. Some of them were tying him up. Some of them were loosing him and kissing him and dancing with him and then slamming him on the ground. You know when the lions and cats, felines, they play with their prey before they devour them? This is what all these Rakshasas were doing to Brahma. Brahma is the four-faced one. He has 4 heads. And he appears to be an older individual with a big long beard on each face. What were the Rakshas doing? They're pulling his beard, beating him up. And so Brahma, all this happening to him in such a short time, he began to think to himself, I am not this Lord of Lords. I am not the knower of all of this. The one who gave me all these things, that is Ganapati Baba. He is that one who gave me the knowledge. He is that one who gave me this power to create. And so it says, Brahma began to remember Ganeshwar, and all the negative beings, they disappeared from around Brahma. And it was only Brahma now. And Brahma, he heard an Akashvani, a celestial voice. The voice said, you must practice austerities. You can't just sit around and think you know everything. You must pray. Brahma began to chant that 6-syllable mantra, Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha, Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. And it says, time passed by and he heard Akashvani again, that same celestial voice. It says, find a banyan tree. It's a large tree. Looked like an umbrella, he could sit down. Brahma is thinking to himself, the universe has not been created yet. Where will I find a tree? Brahma roams the Hiranyagarbha, the golden egg, and he's looking around the Kshir Sagar and he sees a huge banyan tree in the middle of the ocean. And he sees a little boy with an elephant face. And the little boy takes water with his trunk and sprays it on Brahma. And Brahma laughs. And he sits on Brahma's lap as Brahma sits down on the tree, next to the tree. And he looks at Brahma and he says, you must chant the 1-syllable mantra. You must chant Gam, 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 the Bij mantra of Ganeshwar. Saying like this, Brahma began to sit upright and chant in meditation, Gam, 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 over and over again. And so much time passed by, Brahma didn't realize. And it says, Ganeshwar manifested himself in front of Brahma again. And Brahma could only do one thing. He praised that divine Lord.
देवा हो देवा गणपति देवा तुमसे बर कर कौन स्वामी तुमसे बर कर कौन देवा हो देवा गणपति देवा तुमसे बर कर कौन स्वामी तुमसे बर कर कौन और तुम्हारे भक्त जनों में हमसे भर कर कौन स्वामी हमसे भर कर कौन देवा हो देवा गणपति देवा तुमसे भर कर कौन स्वामी तुमसे भर कर कौन तुमसे भर कर कौन स्वामी तुमसे भर कर कौन अद्भुत रूप ये काया भारी महिमा बेरी है दर्शन की महिमा बेरी है दर्शन की बिन मांगे पूरी हो जाए जो भी चाहो मन की जो भी चाहो मन की
गणपति बापा मंगल मूर्ति
देवा हो देवा गणपति देवा तुमसे बर कर कौन स्वामी तुमसे बर कर कौन देवा हो देवा गणपति देवा तुमसे बर कर कौन स्वामी तुमसे बर कर कौन भक्तों की इस भेद में ऐसे बगलू भगत भी मिलते हैं बगलू भगत भी मिलते हैं भेष बदल करके भक्तों का जो भगवान को चलते हैं अरे जो भगवान को चलते हैं
गणपति बापा मंगल मूर्ति
देवा हो देवा गणपति देवा तुमसे बर कर कौन स्वामी तुमसे बर कर कौन देवा हो देवा गणपति देवा तुमसे बर कर कौन स्वामी तुमसे बर कर कौन और तुम्हारे भक्त जनों में हमसे बर कर कौन स्वामी हमसे बर कर कौन देवा हो देवा गणपति देवा तुमसे बर कर कौन स्वामी तुमसे बर कर कौन देवा हो देवा गणपति देवा तुमसे बर कर कौन
कर कौन,
ओ स्वामी तुमसे भर कर कौन,
स्वामी तुमसे बर कर कौन। देवा हो देवा गणपति देवा, तुमसे भर कर कौन। Who is greater than you? हमसे भर कर, who is greater than us, the devotees of Sri Ganesh? Singing the praises of that Ganeshwar again and again, it says Brahma was given a great vision. He saw that Ganeshwar with 4 arms, praising him with Abhay Mudra, fearlessness, giving him the courage, taking away his ahankar, his pride. And Vignaraj, he said, do not be afraid, Lord of the worlds. It is indeed I who have come. I who taught you this auspicious 1-syllable mantra in your vision of the little boy with the elephant head, because of which you have attained success. You have attained the siddhi of the Bij mantra, Gam. I have come to grant you Baradan. I am pleased, so I will give you whatever is in your heart. Says Brahma rejoiced. It says, my heart is calm, my birth is fruitful. He who has neither beginning nor end, who is eternally measurable and without qualities, he has now come. And he has manifested and become visible to me because of my chanting this mantra, Gam Ganapataye Namaha, removing the troubles, the obstacles. That is what this mantra does. It says, after having recollected me, O Brahma, all obstacles will disappear from everywhere, and due to my favor, you will have rock-solid devotion and auspicious knowledge. Fearlessly perform all your duties, O four-faced Brahma. Then it says, telling to Brahma like this, he says, those who remember me, those who are my devotees, I will come and I will bless them and remove their obstacles, remove their troubles, and remove their difficulties. And saying like this, the Lord disappeared, and Brahma began to create the entire universe. Prem Se Shri Gajanan Swami Ki Jai. I hand over the mic to Pandit Prakash Ji, our blessed host. Yeah. You wanted me to go again?
Prem se bolo Gajanan Swami ki jai. Everybody. Moriari, Baba Moriari, Moriari, Baba Moriari, Moria, Moria, Moriari, Moria, Moria, Moriari, Moriari, Baba Moriari, Moriari, Baba Moriari, Ganapati Baba, Mangala Murti, Ganapati Baba, Mangala Murti, Baba Baba, Moriari, Baba Moriari, Moriari, Baba Moriari, Moria, Moria, Moriari, Moria, Moria, Moriari, Moriari, Baba Moriari, Moriari, Baba Moriari, Moriari, Baba Moriari. प्रेम से बोलो गजानन स्वामी की, प्रेम से बोलो गजानन स्वामी की, प्रेम से बोलो गजानन स्वामी की जय भगवान, जय गजानन. This evening we'd like to say very special thanks to each and every one of you for coming out and supporting this yajna. Tonight I have a gentleman in the crowd who is sitting, Rolly and his Dullahin, coming in all the way from Long Island. He's a very dedicated gentleman. Every time we call upon him to do any type of electrical work, he's always ready to serve. We just want to recognize you and thank you so much for coming. I didn't thought you would come. But you're here together with your family tonight. We say special thanks to you for being who you are. You are considered to be special in our temple and in my heart. Thank you so much for being there. Tonight we say special thanks to Nima and her family for they are the sponsors of the food today. So Nima cooked food, so if the food not tasting good, you can talk to Nima. But all in all, special thanks to Nima and her family for making such a contribution tonight. God's blessing to you. To the Durgadeen family, we say special thank you for being the Shrotas and being our devotees. The Durgadeen children are my godchildren, and they took time out to come and join and support us here, and we really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. May the blessing be upon you, your family, and my godchildren too. Tonight we'd like to say special thanks to a lot of people in the kitchen. I don't want to call anybody name, but everybody know who they are, because if I forget somebody's name, I'm going to be in problem. So for all those who handle the food, handle the prasad, in and around, support, wash wares, clean up the kitchen after, we'd like to say very special thanks to all of you for a job well done. Tonight, devotees, we'd like to say very special thanks to Pandit Vishwaram. I wonder why I go to say Pandit Chaitram. Pandit Chaitram, you see a name called here tonight. Special thanks to Pandit Vishwaram for delivering such a beautiful discourse for us. We say special thanks to you, Pandit, and many blessings now and always. Tomorrow, Pandit Vishwaram is going to be performing the puja. He's going to be here tomorrow also. And our Vyasji is going to be Pandit Dayanand Maharaj. All in all, devotees, special thanks to all of you. Remember, this yajna comes to an end on Saturday, so we have 2 more nights to go, Friday and Saturday. On Saturday night, we are waking whole night with Ganapati Baba. At 12 midnight, we'll be shifting the position of the Murti to begin our journey back to the ocean, where we will submerge the Murti. And at 4 a.m., we'll be having Abhishekam to Lord Ganesh, and everybody is invited to come and join and take part in Abhishekam and bathing Bhagwan Ganesh with all the beautiful ingredients. And then at 5:30, we are leaving here to go to Cross Bay. That's right over the bridge on the left-hand side where we normally go. We'll be right there. So all in all, special thanks to all of you. Last night I spoke about the foundation. It's the Sajivan Prakash Foundation that we are going to be installing, and this foundation is going to be a foundation to assist. I know some of you wasn't here last night and some of you are here, and for the viewers who are viewing, just to let you guys know, too much money has been wasted with flowers at a funeral. Because when you buy all this big wreath and you put it at the funeral, the minute the funeral finish, it goes to the garbage. Sometimes $200 and $300 for one of these wreaths that we buy. We need to stop buying these flowers and putting it up there. For what reason, I don't know. If you want, when the person alive, buy flowers and take it to them and say, hey, I offer you this bunch of flowers. All we are asking you, if you want to still donate flowers, donate the money to the foundation. And that money could assist a lot of people who need help. Because we are trying to set up this foundation to ensure to help the need of a lot of individuals who need help. With the pandemic, a lot of people cannot even catch themselves back on their feet. And they still could do with some help. There are young children who need help, who might need a laptop. While our children play with laptop, Nintendo, and iPad, some children don't have none. Our own Hindu brothers and sisters. But the foundation is not a Hindu foundation, it's a foundation to help humanity. Regardless color, creed, or race, should in case they have a problem. We have seen a lot of times people have to go and try and do veggie queue, barbecue, all kind of queue, to raise money to help people with illness. If the foundation is supported rightly, in the right way, I am sure we are able to assist in some little way that we could. So please, I'm looking forward to seeing all of you supporting the foundation. And when we launch the foundation, we are hoping to raise $10,000 on that day towards the foundation. So all those who have the checkbook and they want to write a check, come out on that day to write a check towards the foundation. Because a lot of time you hear people say, you know what? Oh, I feel sorry for them people. I could help them, but I don't know how to reach out to help them. But truth and in fact, you lie. You don't really want to help nobody. You just say that for people to hear. Because it have opportunity that came up where we needed help to help people and people did not step up. Because even when we had the Bhajan Mala at Sudama Mandir, a lot of people just did not show up. Everybody is scared about COVID, but have a party and see where COVID dinner. COVID under the party. Nobody has studied COVID that time. I urge people when they come here, we have masks at the front, please wear your mask. It's your safety and the safety for others. That is all we ask of you. So don't feel that we crowded up here too much. Everybody, 90% of the people here are vaccinated, but we still have to take precautions. Keep your mask on. It is your safety and the safety for others. So devotees, please, we are having, right after this yajna, we are doing 3 nights for Garud Puran on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That's the 24th, 25th, and the 26th. And everybody is specially invited for 3 nights Garud Puran. And then also, when the Pitru Paksh comes to an end, we'll be having 5 nights Devi Yajna right here from Sunday to Thursday. And we are looking forward to seeing all of you joining. Tonight, we want to say special thanks for all of you who have contributed in one way or another towards the yajna. Some of you brought ghee, some of you brought water, some of you brought flour, sugar. So much different way that you all made this possible. Because this is not Pandit Prakash alone doing this yajna. This is all of us doing this yajna together. It's what we call panchayati effort. 5 or more people came together and we made that effort. Tonight, I'd like to single out a gentleman who I really want to say thank you to. And I'd like to ask Richard to please come here, front. Yeah, you. And I want everybody to look at this gentleman. This is a gentleman who I have great respect for. And when I say great respect, this guy selflessly does so much for our community, our people, and people hardly recognize this guy. When I have a party, I'll take in somebody else to do DJ. The man is a DJ too. When he have wedding, take Richard, Extreme Sounds. We need to support him. Bring some cold card tomorrow, okay? So I'll be sharing out some cold card. But for the past years, we have doing Ganesh Yajna. And this gentleman will bring his system. He will come and he will set up his system. From the system, he move into cameras, so he's broadcasting live on Facebook. Also, he's uploading on YouTube. We spoke about a television for the people on my left. Television is up. Right now, we're looking at us on TV. Hi. And this gentleman does this free of charge. Yes, come on, give him a round of applause. And this guy is an accountant by profession. And he still takes time to serve our community, our people. You have a funeral, your family can't see it from Trinidad, he broadcasts it for them to see it in Trinidad. He does every little bit, and nothing about money. Not one single thing about money. Richard, I cannot thank you enough for supporting me and making this yajna what it is, and to broadcast live on Facebook to so many viewers. A lot of people is enjoying the view because nothing is breaking up. They're looking at it on the television. They're relaxing in the couch, like Lisa and Rishi out in Florida. They're relaxing out there and they're looking at television. Vidya and even Cookie Maharaj, her mom is here tonight. She's also looking. I just waved to you, just letting you guys know. This broadcast is reaching so much people, all because of the effort of Richard. Give Richard a round of applause. And this is a gentleman supposed to be a household name. So when you have a little party and thing, Baba don't have a problem with that. You know, you have your party, but take Richard. Okay? Support Richard, so when I have a yajna, he'll come free by me. Okay? When you have a wedding, support Richard. This is the man when it talks about extreme sound. A gentleman, he's not even married yet, but soon to marry. All of us going in the wedding. I just invite everybody, Richard. The wedding is coming up very soon. I'm pushing for it because, you know, Richard lost his mother and his father within 1 year time. And for those of you from Trinidad who knows Richard, he is Johnny Gobin, and the Gobin family, the sister was his mother. This is Johnny Gobin and his nephew from Monroe Road, the Gobin family. I really, really appreciate your help, your assistance, and being here night after night. I want all of you to join to me as we all offer prayer for Richard's mother and father who have passed away and who have gone beyond. Om Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kansachanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagat Guru Om Anadini Devo Shanka Chakra Gadadhara Akshay Pundarikakshaha Preta Moksha Pradobhava Sarva Pitra Deva Atma Shanti. Sat Sanatan Dharma Ki Jai. Tonight I'd like to single out two other guys that I want you guys to really recognize for me tonight. And that is none other than Shiv and Suraj. These two young guys, I had to stand up in the middle, because soon to be I'll be their godfather. Being the godfather of these two gentlemen will be one of the proudest things in my life, because this is like a hand and a foot. Because with two of them, I could do anything that I want to do when it comes to reading Ramayana or singing. He plays harmonium, he plays the dholak, he plays dantal. And where's Brandon? Brandon was supposed to be here tonight too, but Brandon left to Trinidad. Brandon, I hope you're listening and you're watching us on Facebook. You're supposed to be here too because you're the dantal specialist. But these two gentlemen, these two young little boys came up here in New York. These are the grandsons of Auntie Esther, for those of you who don't know. Esther John Ramdeen. This is Suraj and this is Shiv. And these two gentlemen has made a name for themselves. And they didn't advance in age yet. So could imagine when they reach at that age, Uncle Errol, when they reach that age, think about the product we will have in our community. Tonight, I want you to give them a round of applause. Every single Sunday morning, they are here. Whether they go out Saturday night or not, the mother makes sure, if she have to drag them out of bed, Baba have temple, you have to be here. That is dedication, that is service, and devotees, I cannot thank them enough because I don't pay them. I don't pay them and they don't request a fee. Seriously, I don't pay them and they don't request a fee. Free of service, giving all that they have towards the Hindu community. I want to say congratulations to both of you, and I want to say special thanks to both of you for being who you are. I really, really do appreciate it. Sat Sanatan Dharma Ki Jai. Ashirvad Kalyan. You see, when we have individuals like this, we need to recognize them. We need to make them know that we appreciate what they are doing so that they will continue to do such a good job and great work. To all you wonderful devotees from near and far, I want to say special thanks. I see my good auntie here, Damini, and her family. I saw she stand up. I don't know if she's trying to give me a little eye that I'm here. But I recognize you, Auntie Damini, okay? You and your family is here. We say special thanks to you. Coming all the way from Brooklyn. Thank you so much. All in all, to everyone, we say special thanks for joining us. I pass the mic over back to our Vyasji. Prem se bolo Vyas Maharaj ki.
Prem se bolo Shri Gajanan Swami ki jai. Thank you all for coming. Let us all stand as we join in final arti. ओमाजं चावर्ति संयुक्तं वहीनायोजितम्यं दीपं गृहान् देवेशं त्रैलोक्यातिमिरापहम्
आरति कच वदन विनायक सुरमुनि पूजित गणनायक की जय 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 श्री गणेश जय 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 श्री गणेश आरति कच वदन विनायक सुरमुनि पूजित गणनायक की जय जय जय
श्री गणेश जय 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 श्री
एकदन्त शशिपाल गजानन विघ्न विनाशक शुभ गुण कानन जय 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 श्री गणेश
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 शिव सुत वन्द्यमान चतुरानन दुःख विनाशक सुखदायक के जय 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 श्री गणेश
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 रेधि सेधि स्वामी समर्पति विमल बुद्धि दाता सुविमल मति जय 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 श्री गणेश जय जय जय
श्री गणेश
आरति गज वदन विनायक सुर मुनि पूजित गणनायक की जय 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 श्री गणेश
जय 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 श्री गणेश
अगवन गाहन अमल विघट गति वेद्य विनय विभवदायक की जय 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 श्री गणेश
जय 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 श्री गणेश
पिंगलन विशाल सुंदर धर धूम्रवरण शुचि भजन कुश कर जय 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 श्री गणेश
जय 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 श्री गणेश
आरति गज वदन विनायक सुर मुनि पूजित गणनायक की जय 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 श्री गणेश
जय 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 श्री गणेश
लंबोधर धाधा विपति हर सुर वंदित सब विधि लायक की जय 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 श्री गणेश
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 आरति गज वदन विनायक सुर मुनि पूजित गणनायक की जय 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 श्री गणेश
जय 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 श्री गणेश
गणपति देवा जय जय
जय जय जय गणपति देवा
जय 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 गणपति देवा
गजानना है गजानना
गजानना हे गजानना
गजानना है गजानना
गजानना हे गजानना
गजानना है गणपति देवा
गजानना हे गणपति देवा
जय 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 गणपति देवा
जय जय गणपति देवा
माता पार्वती पिता महादेवा
माता पार्वती पिता महादेवा
माता पार्वती पिता महादेवा
माता पार्वती पिता महादेवा
जय जय गणपति देवा
जय जय गणपति देवा
जय जय गणपति देवा
जय जय गणपति देवा
गणपति देवा
गणपति देवा
गणपति देव हे गणपति
ॐ कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि ॐ त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव शिव हरे शिव राम सखे प्रभु त्रिविधतापनिवारण हे विभो अज जनेश्वर यादव पाहि मां शिव हरे विजयं कुरु मे भरम् प्रतिदिनं कुशलं जयमङ्गलम् ॐ मन्त्रहीनं क्रियाहीनं भक्तिहीनं जनार्दनं यत्पूजितं मया देव परिपूर्णं तदस्तु मे ॐ पापोऽहं पापकर्माहं पापात्मपापसम्भव त्राहि मां पुण्डरीकाक्षं सर्वपापहरो हरि ॐ असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्युर्मामृतं गमय मृत्युर्मामृतं गमय शान्तिः ॐ शान्तिः ॐ शान्तिः हरि ओम प्रेम से बोले श्री गजानन स्वामी की उमापति महादेव की आदिशक्ति माता की विष्णु भगवान की प्रेम और शक्ति से बोलिए सत्य सनातन धर्म की जय सीताराम everyone. You may all take your seats. God bless you. Have a good night and don't forget to come back tomorrow. Sitaram.